Hey people, I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'll be going through my weekly analysis and how I prepare myself for a new trading week. This is something I tend to do every Sunday so I can mark out any potential areas of interest in which I would expect price to come into in order to take some trading opportunities. Now let's look at the Euro USD chart, as this is one of the main pairs that I trade often, and have a look at what's going on. The first thing I would like to do is look at what price has done for the previous weeks and try to stay relevant to current price action. Of course, I would have some unmitigated zones marked up from before that haven't been touched yet, but what's important is capitalizing on opportunities that could unfold in the upcoming week. One of the key main points that I would like to focus on is structure. So every single week I like to see what structure is doing currently and what is the overall trend of the market. So as we can see here on Euro USD, the past couple of days has been very bullish. However, I'm quite long-term bearish. So what we can do is look for possible opportunities to buy up to premium supply zones in order to sell back down again. And going off structure, I would first mark out any break of structures or change of characters that has happened to help me navigate where price wants to go. So looking at this chart right here, we can see there's one break of structure over here to the upside that confirmed this bullish trend. After the break of structure, price did not breach this higher high right over here, so what we could expect is a retracement back to a level of demand, or we could see price just accumulate a bit more before heading off and breaking this point as well. Now after identifying our buyers, that being potential buyers, we can now look for any unmitigated demand zones that price could retrace to so we can capitalize on. So first, on this 5-hour time frame, we can see a clean demand zone right over here that I would mark out. And on the 3-hour, we can see another demand zone right here that has caused this break of structure to the upside. From there, we would wait on our hands and wait for price to retrace back to this level right here or this level down here in order to buy back up. Now after marking out our new POIs, as we've got this demand zone right over here on the 3-hour time frame, and just below that we got our demand zone on the 5-hour time frame. So we'll mark this out as scenario A and scenario B, as possibly price could breach this level right here and mitigate this one instead. So now we'll look for any liquidity points that may have been left from the previous week. So we'll look at any sort of equal highs, equal lows, trend lines, or even Asia high, Asia lows that have been left. And that'll be all for how I update my charts on a weekly basis in order for me to get my trade ideas. From what you see on the EU chart, I would essentially copy that same routine to my other pairs as well, and then I will set alerts on any nearby POIs so I can get notified when price is in the area. And that'll be a wrap for how I prepare myself for a new trading week. If you did find this video insightful, be sure to drop a like and save this video for later whenever you're doing your weekly analysis.